Hi, well I'm just down on the beach having a little walk and I've just got a new microphone transmitter. Who hates the sound of their own voice? I do. Anyway, they're still pumping the sand. There's a tractor thingy there and he's lifting sand up to save the trees. The trees have all been on the edge there and almost lost them. They're big ones as well. They're pretty old. So they're being packed up with sand to protect them. So they spent lots of money on this. It's cost around 30 million, I think they said. And everyone's had the $10 increase on their rates to cover the costs as well. So they're hoping the government will come and help the city council out, repay some of the money. As you can see, the trees were really exposed. We lost quite a few, and they've moved so much sand. These were really almost falling in, and they've put rocks there, as you can see. They've put rocks all the way along there. But these people work overnight. They have lights on the beach and they work throughout the night. And because when I get up in the morning, the lights are still on. So yeah, they've done a good job. Yeah, the sand's being pumped from way down the far end there. I think you can just see it in the distance if I keep still. There's the jetty, the sand pumping jetty going out. So the sand's moved from way down there, and then it's pumped all the way from the spit, all the way down here by a big pipe, and there's several pumping stations in between. And then it comes out there. That's the Southport Surf Club there. It's in Main Beach, but they call it the Southport Surf Club. I've never quite understood that. Anyway, that's very nice there. Lots of nice places to live.